Yeah, my name is Alex Adingi. I'm into going to the Model 3 of my lessons. And today I'll just define the principle of entrepreneurship, which is principles are foundational rules and beliefs that serve as the foundation for the system. When we are talking about embracing innovation and adaptation, you'll be talking about customer satisfaction, efficiency, and productivity. Also, you talk of market relevance, how relevant the market is at that time. Then we talk about steps to embrace innovation, which is to cultivate a culture of innovation. Naturally, you just have that culture, and every time you are pushing for the innovation, pushing to innovate something, pushing to create anything new, and then self feedback. You want to listen to what the customers, what the clients are saying over there, based on your product, based on your services. Then you keep staying informed. That you keep learning more and more, and then the cover back. So then I can go further. We went further to talk about the importance of adaptation, which is survival and resilience. Things will always be tough. There will be challenges. The innovations sometimes they don't come as you wish, but you have to survive. That survival instinct has to be there. That resilience has to be there. And the market dynamics, which is always there. There are competitors all over. So those are the market dynamics, and you have to strive to face it. And then the learning and growth, learning is just the whole thing. The more you learn, the more informed you are, and the more innovation that comes in. Lastly, we'll think about the steps to foster adaptation. So flexibility, a lot will need to come. You have to be flexible. You have to look at when things are not going the way it should be. You change, and so you're not just a stereotype. You have to be a bit flexible in your innovations and your learning and your creativity. Also, learning, like we said, is more learning and learning and learning. That's what you have to do. Then the risk management and data driven. That's all. Thank you.